Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
The Vivo X200 Pro Mini is a newly launched flagship phone with a fast refresh rate AMOLED display, a flagship processor, compact design, and fast charging. Friends, today I will share the unboxing and first impressions of the Vivo X200 Pro Mini, which was recently launched. Let's start with the unboxing. Here is the box of the Vivo X200 Pro Mini in black. The phone's branding is visible on the box. Vivo has launched the Mini variant in the X series for the first time. We removed the plastic from the box, and this is the 16GB RAM and 1TB storage variant. This is the white color option, and later in the video, I will show the other color options as well. Opening the box lid, the phone is the first thing we see. Looking at the rest of the box contents, we get a transparent protective case and a user manual. Here is the 90-watt power adapter, which comes with a Type-A output. Lastly, we get a white Type-C to Type-A data cable and a SIM ejector tool. Now let's remove the plastic wrap from the phone and talk about its design and build. The phone's first look is quite attractive, and it's in white color, though it looks more like off-white. The phone is compact in size, with an aluminum alloy frame that is flat. The back of the phone is made of AG matte glass. The glass has reflective textures, so the back looks glossy, but when you change the angle, it also shows a matte finish. Like the Vivo X200 Pro, it has a circular camera module that is slightly bumpy. This module has 3 camera sensors, with the Zeiss logo in the center, and the flash is placed on the outer part. The phone's screen is flat, with no microcurves, and both the front and back are completely flat. The phone is compact. You can compare both phones here. The iPhone 16 Pro weighs 199 grams, while the Vivo X100 Pro Mini weighs 187 grams. The thickness is also just 8.15 millimeters, and it feels quite handy. It's comfortable to hold with one hand. Let's start the phone, and the first thing you see is Origin OS 5. When comparing the bezels with the iPhone 16 Pro, both phones have almost the same bezel size, but the bottom bezel on the Pro Mini is slightly bigger. So friends, how do you like the design of the Vivo X100 Pro Mini? Let me know in the comments. You can also see a comparison with the Vivo X200 Pro here. Both phones have almost the same configuration. They both come with this year's flagship Dimensity 9400 octa-core processor, built on the 3nm platform. The phone has an Antutu score of over 300,000, which I will explain in detail in tomorrow's review video. Both phones have the same 50-megapixel main camera with the Sony L-Lite 818 sensor. This is a brand new sensor with a size of 111.28 inches and an f1.57 aperture. According to Blue Factory, this sensor captures photos similar to a 1-inch sensor. Both phones also have similar screens, featuring AMOLED displays with 8T LTPO technology, 4500 nits peak brightness, and 2160Hz PWM dimming. Additionally, both phones come with IP68 and IP69 waterproof ratings. Both phones also come with an X-axis linear motor and NFC. The Pro models have almost the same features, but there are some small differences. The biggest difference is in the size, and the battery capacity is not the same. The X200 Pro has a 6,000 mAh battery, while the X200 Pro Mini has a 5,700 mAh battery. Although the difference in battery capacity is only 300 mAh, the size difference is noticeable. Another major change is in the periscope telephoto camera. The Vivo X200 Pro Mini has a 50-megapixel Sony IMX882 telephoto camera, the same one that was in the Vivo X100 Pro. This camera is also found in the Vivo X200. However, the X200 Pro has a 200-megapixel periscope telephoto camera, and the sensor size of the telephoto cameras in both phones is different. Aside from that, both phones have the same charging speed, 90 watts for wired charging and 30 watts for wireless charging. Here, you can see the other color variants of the X200 Pro Mini: white, pink, black, and green. I especially like the white color. Friends, I will upload a detailed review of the Vivo X200 Pro tomorrow, where we will look at the camera test, gaming test, performance test, and battery drain test. To be the first to see the review video, please subscribe and join our tech team. So friends, how do you like the design of the Vivo X200 Pro Mini? Let me know in the comments.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes